One of the important steps in managing your patent in India is the process of renewal. If the patent is granted later than 2 years from the date of filing of the application, the pending fee payment has to be made within a period of 3 months from the date of the patent grant. Starting from the 3rd year after your patent has been granted, annual renewal fees come into play. These fees are required to be paid for every year up to 20 years to keep the patent in force. The official renewal fee increases over the years and start from 800 rupees per 4,000 rupees, 3rd year, and goes up to 8,000 rupees per 40,000 rupees, 20th year. If, for some reason, you miss the renewal deadline, the Indian Patent Office provides a cushion. There's a 6-month grace period, but it comes with a price: a late fee. Should circumstances lead you to overlook the renewal even beyond the grace period, it's not the end of the road for your patent. The option of patent restoration is available. However, there's a window for this: 18 months from the date of lapse. It's not as straightforward as just covering the missed fees. You're required to present a valid justification for the oversight to the Patent Office. Only if the patent controller is convinced, the controller may restore the patent. The restoration process has a government fees of around 2,400 rupees per 12,000 rupees depending on the type of applicant. Once restored, additional government fee of 4,800 rupees per 24,000 rupees plus unpaid renewal fees need to be paid. To conclude, regularly monitor your patent status, be aware of renewal dates, and always stay informed, or better yet, get experts to manage it for you to ensure you don't miss any renewals.